What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to get those big hooks in your songs. Hey, let's go. Like I said, fam, in this video, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to get those nice big sounding hooks in all of your songs. This is very, very simple, but very, very effective. When I'm recording vocals, I do this. When I'm mixing vocals, I do this. And just an easy, simple way to get those big vocals inside of your records. But look, enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer, man, so we can get to work. Alright guys, so I'm about to show you how to easily get bigger, wider hooks, man. What I like to do, especially when I'm recording an artist, I like to get at least 3 lead takes for a hook with a couple backgrounds. You want to get those 3 main lead takes different simply because you're going to have one in the middle, which is here. Then you're going to pan one left. And then pan one right. And that's the way you're going to get a big, nice, full hook. So let's bring up our mix window here. Like I said, you're going to have one straight down the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and play. I'm going to play this hook just with that one lead vocal just so you guys can hear it before I add in and show you how to actually easily get bigger, wider hooks.
I am a lifestyle star. Bitches to blame because they always hype me. Ooh, haters be tapping their keys, stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Ooh, we just get into the bag, never running up a tab. Stacking this stack, and going got some shit I never had. Ooh, I am a lifestyle star. My bitches to blame because they.
All right, so that's how we do it right there. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually get the wider hook. You guys heard it right there. So all we're gonna do, we have one pan left, one pan right, and what I like to do is the one that's actually panned to the left. I'll boost it just a little bit before I actually boost it to the right, the vocal I have to the right, and then I'll just move them up slowly but surely together. Let's bring this one down a little bit more here. Let's bring this one up. So here, and let's go ahead and see how that sounds. And again, I'll bring it and slide it into taste. Just don't want it overpowering to make it sound like 3 different voices. You kind of want to make it sound just like one big voice. So let's go ahead and play.
I am a lifestyle star. My bitches to blame because they always hype me. Ooh, haters be tapping their keys, stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Ooh, we just get into the bag, never running up a tab. Stacking this stack, then going caught some shit I
That's
never had.
overpowering right there.
I am a lifestyle star. My bitches to blame because they always hype me. Ooh, haters be tapping them keys, stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Ooh, we just get into the bag, never running up a tab. Stacking this stack, then going caught some
like
shit I
that
never had.
right there.
I am convinced.
All right, that sounds pretty good right there to me. Let's play that one more time. Let's go ahead and mute those. Bring this one up just a tad. Let's go ahead and mute those.
I am a lifestyle star. My bitches to blame because they always hype me. Ooh, haters be tapping their keys, stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Let's go ahead
and bring them in.
We just get into the bag, never running up a tab. Stacking this stack, then going caught some shit I never had. Ooh, I am a lifestyle star. My bitches to blame because they always hype me. Ooh, haters be tapping them keys, stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Ooh, we just get into the bag, never running up a tab.
You just want it nice and subtle. You don't want it overpowering, especially on a song like this. Maybe if it was an R&B song or a more melodic song, I would boost it up just a little bit more to make it sound like a bunch of different voices. But I want this blended in kind of perfectly. Don't want it too much overpowering. So I'll turn it up just another tad. Let me go ahead and mute these so you guys can hear it again.
I am a lifestyle star. My bitches to blame because they always
That's
hype
the
me.
single vocal.
Haters be tapping their keys, stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Ooh, we just get into the bag, never running up a tab. Stacking this stack, then going caught some shit I never had.
That's with the vocals unmuted.
My bitches to blame because they always hype me. Ooh, haters be tapping them keys, stuck in their feelings, but
muted.
they will not fight me. Ooh, we just just getting to the bag. Never running
That's
up
what
a
I'm opened
tab.
up.
Stacking and stacking, going, caught some shit I never had. Ooh, I am convinced I am a lifestyle star. My bitches to blame because they always hate me.
As you can see, guys, it's very, very simple to get a wider hook, more robust hook that really add to your records. You don't want, like I said, to overpower to make it sound like 3 different voices, 4 different voices. You kind of make it you want to make it seem like one big voice. Let me play that one more time, man, just so you guys can hear the difference. If you hear that singled out lead, then when I add in the 2-pan left and right, let's play that one more time.
Cause they always hate me. Ooh,
This is the single lead.
Stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Ooh, we just getting to the bag. Never running up a tab. Stacking this stack.
All
They
3.
going, got some shit I never had. Ooh, I am a life-size doll. My bitches to blame because they always hate me. Ooh, haters be tapping
Muted.
them keys. Stuck in their feelings, but they will not fight me. Ooh, we just getting to the
All
bag.
3.
Never running up a tab. Stacking and stacking. They going, caught some shit I never had. Ooh, I am convinced.
As you can hear, man, it just makes this hook way, way fuller and just sounds way more robust, man, riding with that beat. All right, let's go. Yes, sir. Hey, look, that's a very, very easy but effective way to get those bigger hooks in your vocal. You want your lead vocal just going down the center, but when that hook comes, you just want that thing to widen out just enough, man. And how I showed you guys today is a quick, easy, effective way that anybody can do it, man. It's very, very simple, as you guys saw. Hey, how do you make those big hooks? Do you do what I do, or is there another way? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Check out my website, mixedbygels.com. Hey, it's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.